Hello guys, welcome again, and here is another tea. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are liking my videos. I have a lot of videos in my channel and I hope you like these videos. I have a lot of videos for teas and I hope you can try them at home with your friends and family and enjoy these teas. And for this video here, we are going to make another specialty, and this one is the cinnamon tea, cinnamon and honey. So here are cinnamon sticks. You can see here cinnamon sticks. I am going to use this in the tea, cinnamon sticks, and this one goes in, cinnamon sticks goes in, and we have tea bag here. Tea bag goes in here. Close this, and here goes your tea bag. Move the stick a little bit, and we're going to add boiling water. You can see I'm pouring the boiling water over the sticks, and you have to leave the cinnamon sticks inside the tea for longer. You can drink the tea while the sticks are inside, but the tea bag, you can take it out. If you don't like your tea very strong, you can take it out earlier. I don't really like my tea very strong, so you can see the color here. It is dark enough for me. I don't want it very dark, so that is enough for me. I will take out the tea bag, and you can see how beautiful this is looking. And I am going to add to this, I am going to add some honey. Here is honey. If you don't like your tea very sweet, you can just skip the honey. You can just drink like this. So here is some honey. Now this is ready here. I just have to stir it a bit, give it a mix. Now stir a bit here, and the smell is already very beautiful smell. I can smell the cinnamon sticks. The flavor is amazing. The smell, I mean, is amazing, and I'm sure this tea tastes really good, and I'm sure you will like this one. So here is the tea which is ready. This one is cinnamon and honey tea, and you can try this at home with your friends and family. And I hope you like this tea. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.